By 8:30 we left Chandratal base camp. Now proceeding to Manali. The road is not in good condition, and the dry river cut is accompanying us. But when you look up, it is a marvelous sight. A sight which we can't forget ever.